Do you know that organizations embracing digital transformation are 26% more profitable than their peers? But what exactly is digital transformation, and why is it essential for businesses to adopt it? SlideTeam brings you a content-ready PPT presentation on implementing digital transformation in organizations to enhance efficiency, innovation, and competitiveness. Download this pre-designed PowerPoint deck and help your team adopt new technologies and bring positive change in the organization. Also, grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. To begin with, understand what an exponential organization is. It is a new breed of organizations that harness the power of emerging technologies, such as artificial intelligence, robotics, big data analytics, and blockchain, to disrupt traditional industries and create innovative solutions. Exponential organizations have some key traits. The first is that massive transformative purpose, MTP, drives these. These enterprises also have a scalable business model, which uses exponential technologies. There is a culture of experimentation and adaptability, and embracing decentralized decision-making in the DNA of such businesses. Deploy this ready-to-use PPT diagram to align your organization's preparedness and capability to effectively leverage digital technologies and adapt to the digital era. Implementing digital transformation requires a holistic approach. It begins with a clear vision and strategy aligned with organizational goals. Use this PowerPoint template to comprehend your company's digital maturity. Ready to lead your organization into the digital age? Download our comprehensive PowerPoint module on implementing digital transformation in organizations from the link below. Assessing the current state of technology, infrastructure, and skill sets is crucial. Next, organizations must prioritize initiatives, secure leadership buy-in, and build a culture of innovation and continuous learning. Outline a comprehensive roadmap to help your team achieve your digital goals. Embracing digital transformation is not without challenges. Resistance to change, legacy systems, and cybersecurity concerns pose obstacles. Help your team accept the transformation and encourage them to adopt innovation and system change with this pre-designed PPT slide. Walk your audience through the benefits of digital transformation that boosts productivity, flexibility, agility, and more using this PowerPoint template. The digital landscape is evolving rapidly, and organizations must adapt. Digital transformation is no longer an option but a necessity. Use SlideTeam's premium training module PPT presentation to see new possibilities, drive growth, and thrive in the digital era.